we're getting ready to put the chickens outside. We got Mr. Corvin here, babysitting him today. He's visiting with us, and he's going to help us build this little chicken pen. What it is I'm using chicken wire, and I bought this little dog pen on Amazon, and it is ideal. Each panel, it'll square out when we get it done. Each panel, when you put two panels together, it's the same size as this 48-inch chicken wire. Yay. Okay, so we've got two panels. We put them together. We already got one. We're putting it on. See, I'll get tie wraps because it is just a little bit loose, and I don't want my baby chickies getting caught between the two things. So you want to make sure that you tie it up real good. I cut it at 30 inches. This is a 30-inch from top to bottom. And so it will be, I cut it 30 inches, and then I wrap around this one, and I wrap the bottom here. If you want it a little longer, which is what I should have done, and what I will do on the other panels, is make it down to below that and then bring it back up. So you'll want to cut it about 32 inches. All right, so that's it for right now. I'm going to put these things on there, and what I like about this pen is that I'm going to be able to fold it up pretty well, and so that's a good thing. All right, see you in a little bit. I got to get some wire cutters. So we just about got it finished. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there, chicken wire, tie wraps. You want to make sure it's where you don't have it where it's going to poke them in the eye or something. It's going to take a lot of tie wraps. About 2 packages of tie wraps is what we're doing right now. And here is the name of the pen. Okay, 8 panels. See what it says there. Kind of give you an idea. Now what we did here was ended up putting, this is actually a gate. We're not going to worry about that because you've got these little clasps. Got one right now. You got these little clasps right here, and they're going to keep this gate, they're going to shut it. See? It joins together and it shuts it. So I can easily open and close that gate and let the chickens in, let the chickens out. Okay, so that's about the only thing we kind of made different, instead of making it where, because I'm not going to, I'd have to crawl in there. So anyway, that's what we did. All right. You can get this pen on Amazon. Galvanized, we found the cheapest galvanized was actually for chicken wire is at Tractor Supply. And let's see here, tie wraps we got from Harbor Freight. So that's it. And then you're going to get to see, if it ever quits raining, you'll get to see our chickens in the chicken pen, and you'll get to see the cover and how that's going to work. This cover is just a mesh, like so. It lets some sunlight in, but keeps a little shade. And what's going to be great about this pen is it's light enough where I can put them in and just kind of drag it across the yard. That's what we're thinking is going to work. So, yeah, we'll see how that works. Okay. So for right now, I'm going to go back to putting on tie wraps and turn it upside down, get the bottom tended to, and I'll be back. So this is the first outing for both chickens and chickens with doggies. They're very curious. I'm letting the doggies be curious, but if they show any signs of aggression, I get onto them really quick and really heavy and let them know, do not mess with the babies. So we'll see how that goes, but I think they'll start venturing out. They're getting a little sun. See, And this was just made from one of those little dog pens that you keep a doggy in. It can collapse down real easy, or you put it up real easy. It has stakes if you want that. What I liked about this pen is I can easily just move it from one area to the other by pulling it, and also I can add on to the pen and make it as large as I want. So as they grow, I will be able to let them walk out and see a little more. And that will be their chicken run. All right. So stay tuned. We're going to be working on that chicken pen here pretty soon that we're making out a dog pen. All right. Thanks a lot for joining us, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.